Okay, guys, thank you and welcome you again to another exciting session. My name is Kingsley, Space IQ. Okay, so today we're going to be having a deep dive regarding how you can be able to synchronize your OneDrive cloud storage to your Windows machine. Okay, so this is a very important concept and it's going to be very helpful for businesses, for people who mostly maybe do not have the time to be able to start logging into a website, start trying to access certain information, right? So this is very important and it's going to be very helpful to us. All right, so in order to do this, just log into your admin.microsoft.com if you are a user, if you are an administrator. However, if you're a user, all you just need to do is to just go to office.com, still the same thing, and then log in with your user ID, okay, which is your credentials. All right, so given that I'm logged in, I just go to the 9 dots at the top left, which is my app launcher, and then I'm going to open OneDrive. So this is going to open my OneDrive, right? This is my OneDrive environment. So what is OneDrive? OneDrive is a cloud storage, right? It's a cloud storage that allows you to be able to manage your files, collaborate with your files or collaborate on files, whether with internal users or with external users. It gives that capability for you to be able to, it's more like a centralized document management repository, right? For storing documents, videos, pictures, any form of information. Okay, so that is what OneDrive is. And basically, most of the Microsoft 365 subscription packages comes with OneDrive. And when I mean the packages, I'm referring to the packages that are not standalone. Okay, so if you are opting in for the least package, which is the Microsoft Business Basic, right, it comes with OneDrive and it comes with a 1 terabyte OneDrive cloud storage. So this is very important, right? So now, in order to be able to save yourself the stress of having to log into this page, log in and then try to check, access your files and all that. So the best thing would be for you to be able to download what we call the OneDrive release notes. Okay, so now you go to the Microsoft website and then you click on OneDrive release notes. Well, it's up, right? So you go to Windows. If you are using Windows, you click on Windows. If you are using Mac, you click on Mac, right? So these are the two options I often select. So now I go to Windows and then I click on refresh and then I go to last release build. So we have two sections here. You have production ring and we have the third ring, right? So I will just go to production ring, all right? And then I would have to download it. Okay, let me just download. I'm going to save it in my downloads and then there it is, okay? So I'm just going to open it. It's most likely going to return an error and the reason because the application is already installed on my Windows machine, right? So for people who possibly or perhaps do not have the application installed on their Windows machine, right? It means that the OneDrive application is not yet installed. So you may have to download it from here and then install it. Okay. So a newer version of OneDrive is installed. You may need or you need to uninstall it first before installing this version. So we don't need it anymore because it's already installed, right? So now once you install the OneDrive application, right, what you're going to see once you install it, once you download and install, right, you download it from the website and then you install it. The next thing you're going to see is a section for you to put in your credentials, right? You're going to see a section for you to put in your credentials and it's going to be like this. This is what is going to come up. So this is my email, kingsley@specspace.com, right? That is my email address. Sorry, specspace.iq. All right, so this is my email address. If you have any concern, you can always hit me up on this email, okay? I'm going to receive your request. So kingsley@specspace.iq.com. So I'll just click on sign in, all right? Once I click on sign in, you're going to wait for it. It's going to load. It's going to ask me to put in my password, okay? So we're gonna just give you some time. Okay, it's load up. So I'll just sign in using my sign-in credentials. Okay, so it's requesting for authenticator because I have this connected to my authenticator app, right? So I'll just click on it, authenticate my signing. Okay, and then good. So yeah, I'm signed in. But let's give it some time. It's gonna load up in a few seconds. I believe it should be up and running. All right, and you are going to see how it works in particular. So now it's going to tell me just click next because I want to use the default location, right? For this, just click next and then it's going to tell me, okay, do you want this particular account to be able to synchronize your documents, local document repository, your pictures and your desktop? Unfortunately, no, because I already have a OneDrive account that is syncing this information, right? So I do not need this account to be syncing my local documents, my pictures, and my desktop. So by default, it synchronizes your desktop, documents, and pictures, right? So I'll just click on next. But in your own situation, you may not see that option, right? So all you just need to do is to check the three of them, all right? So I'll just click on next, click on next, click on next again, click on next, and then click on later, and then open my OneDrive. So this is now going to open my OneDrive, okay? And how does it look like? It's going to look like this. So this is it, all right? So beautiful. So this is how you'll be able to see. You'll be able from here. You can be able to upload documents. When you upload your documents, as long as you're connected to the internet, once you upload your documents, automatically it's gonna be reflecting in the cloud. So from here, you can manage any form of information. You can store data. You can collaborate. You can even access this particular account from your phone. Maybe in our next session, we're going to be talking about how you can set up your OneDrive account or your mobile device. That's going to be my next session. Okay, perhaps. All right. Okay, thank you very much, guys. I'm very much happy, and I hope this session has been very informative to you. Then I look forward to having another session. Bye bye.